Hello everyone, so now we are going to make a chatbot, a simple user-generated chatbot. So the first step that we are going to do is to have a Visual Studio Code where you are going to make the chatbot. So you can just open your Chrome or whatever browser you have, and you can just search the Visual Studio Code like this, Studio Code. And you are going to download the blue one, this one. And kung iba namang ang OS mo, you can just choose Windows, Mac, and kung ano yung preferably sa laptop or MacBook mo or whatever it is. So yun, since meron ako nito, I'm just going to back and open my Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Okay. Just going to click it and open. Since meron na akong chatbot na ginawa, I'm just going to redo it and show you guys how I make that chatbot. So I'm just going to select this open folder and I'm gonna make a new folder dito sa desktop natin para madali natin siya mahanap. Chatbot. I'm going to name it as chatbot. So I'm going to select folder, and for the first thing that we are going to do, for the first thing that we are going to use language, we're going to use HTML, and we will going to name it as index.html. Index.html. So yun guys. Okay. Since meron na nga ako, I'm just going to copy it and paste what my chatbot looks like and what my chatbot will function. Really. So we are going to open my folder. Documents made by me. Ito yung chatbot ko. So, ayan. Ito yung code. So, I'm just going to copy it and paste. Okay, open folder. Punta tayo sa desktop ulit. Ayan. Ayan. And for the second, we are going to make a new file ulit named styles.css for our design. Okay. So, punta ulit tayo. Since gusto ko ng mga violet, I styled it as violet chatbot. I know. Okay. Mali yung in-open ko. Open folder and this one dapat chatbot lang. And I'm going to go to styles and I'm just going to copy ulit and paste it doon sa ating chat. Dito sa desktop natin. Slowly. Yan, ang mga ginamit kong kulay is kitang-kita sa ating Visual Studio Code. So, for the last language that we are going to use, which is the JavaScript, we're going to name it as script.js para functional yung ating chatbot. Okay. Open folder natin. And then, punta ulit tayo dun sa ating document para kunin ko yung code na ginamit ko para sa aking chatbot. Okay. So, for the script, meron ako mga ginamit na function that can append message para function na makakaget ng bot response kasi user-generated to. And, yeah. just going to paste it there. Ayun, may mga ginamit. And yung mga message lang na ma-read ng aking chatbot is, hello, how are you? We're going to tagdagan natin to ng question mark since this is a question. Yan. Yan lang yung ma-read ng ng chatbot natin. The hello, the how are you, the what's your name, and bye. Ito yung mga response na dapat mong i-respond sa akin once I type these messages. So yun, try natin siya. Okay, we are just going to open with live server. Okay, I'm just going to zoom it to you guys. Hello. There. Hi there, how can I assist you? And we are going to ask the chatbot, how are you? It responds. Tapos, sunod naman natin ay ang what's your name? Since this is a user-generated, this is strictly case sensitive, and kung iba yung case na ginamit mo, I don't think na try nga natin. Ay, yeah, it's not case sensitive as long as the characters are in there. I think it's going to respond. So I can just buy. Why? Okay, the buy. Since this is not case sensitive, but it is dapat lahat ng characters nandun. Since nilagyan natin siya ng ganito, ng exclamation point, dapat meron. Pag wala is mag-generate yung message na ganito. I'm not sure how to respond to that. Try asking something else. If that, the chatbot will respond accurately. Thank you. That's all.